There's an industry that's been charging businesses by the minute for decades, and most of the businesses paying for their services don't realize there's already a better, cheaper alternative out there. I'm talking about traditional answering services, the kind where a human operator picks up your overflow calls, reads from a list of scripted messages, takes a message, and bills you for every minute. It's an antiquated model built for a world that is rapidly coming to an end. In its place, AI is filling the gap. Gartner surveyed customer service leaders and found that 85% plan to explore or pilot customer-facing conversational AI in 2026. The shift is already underway and happening quickly. In this video, you will learn more about the AI-driven alternative that's rapidly replacing the answering service industry, how the technology behind it actually works, and what it looks like in practice. Using Nextiva's XBert, one of the AI receptionist tools leading the shifts. If you run a business that still routes overflow calls to a human answering service, or if you're evaluating AI phone tools and want to understand what you're actually buying, then this is the video for you. Now, one disclosure up front, Nextiva sponsors this video, and XBert is their product. They didn't write this script or control what I conclude, and the setup and calls you're about to see are the real product running in my own business. Chapter 1, the answering service model and why it's breaking. To understand the scale of change, it helps to see how things have worked for decades. The answering service model, which has been around for decades, was built for small businesses, often in service trades like plumbing, HVAC, law, or medicine. These businesses pay a call center to handle incoming calls when they can't answer themselves, after hours, during lunch, or while out on jobs. The answering service follows a business-approved script, takes messages, routes calls, and logs every interaction. Billing is almost always per minute, and industry standard rates range from roughly 75 cents to $1.25 per minute. Now, while that sounds cheap, it can quickly compound. For example, a business handling 150 calls per month with an average call duration of 3 minutes is spending between $330 and $560 per month. It also isn't the average that you need to consider. What if there's a major uptick in calls? Billing can easily get out of hand with no ceiling on what next month's bills might look like. So, for hundreds of dollars per month, what does that business actually get? A human reading from a script that got approved weeks, months, maybe even years ago. If the caller asks about something the script doesn't cover, the operator can't answer. If hours change or services expand, the script is wrong until the business owner updates it. The problem is simple. The operator simply doesn't know your business. Chapter 2, the AI shifts. But modern AI, with its ability to understand natural language, respond intelligently to questions it wasn't explicitly scripted for, and do that consistently at any hour without degrading in quality, does know your business. AI's ascendancy over outdated answering services shouldn't be surprising. AI is disrupting every industry simultaneously. For example, McKinsey's 2025 State of AI report found that 88% of organizations now use AI in at least one business function. So put differently, what was an enterprise advantage 2 years ago is now available to small businesses and being adopted by your competition. Now, beyond the additional advantages of AI, one thing accelerated the shift more than anything else: economics. AI-driven phone tools don't bill per minute. They bill per interaction, per seat, or offer a flat monthly rate. Pricing models that are structurally more predictable and, for most call volumes, substantially cheaper. And call handling is one of the clearest examples of why. Instead of paying for minutes, you're paying for outcomes. The benefits go beyond cost savings. For businesses that rely on inbound calls, each answered call represents potential revenue. Improving response speed increases the number of calls handled, directly boosting the top line and redirecting expenses. And the capabilities of an intelligent AI receptionist are superior to those of an answering service. Beyond being available 24/7, 365, an AI receptionist can answer questions it wasn't explicitly scripted for because it's trained on your business information, not a script. Transcribe every call automatically with timestamps, making it easy for a human agent to jump in or for your team to glean insights later. Generate a plain language summary of what happened on the call using AI. Send a text follow-up to the caller after conversation ends. Route the call based on what the caller actually said, not which number they pressed. Book appointments directly if you've connected a calendar, and hand off to a live person when the call requires it. All of this means faster responses, better capture, and fewer missed callers who dial a competitor. That's a shift. Now, let me show you what it looks like in practice with one of the tools leading it. Chapter 3. Nextiva XBert. Nextiva has been providing businesses with phone solutions for more than 18 years, and over 100,000 businesses run on their platform. XBert is their AI receptionist product. It sits on top of their wider business phone infrastructure and handles inbound calls, texts, and chats with the capabilities we just walked through. XBert has a single plan that costs $99 per month and covers up to 100 interactions. Now, after that, each additional interaction is 99 cents. An interaction is a call lasting 30 seconds or longer, or when a text or chat receives 3 or more AI responses. There's a 14-day free trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Setup is faster than you'd expect. XBert learns from your website and your business details automatically. You point it at your site, it ingests the information, and it builds its own knowledge base from what's there. After that, you review what it learned and fill in any gaps. So let me show you what I mean. I'll head over to nextiva.com/join and enter my business's website to get started. Then I'll create an account using my Google account and follow the on-screen instructions to sign up and claim the 14-day free trial. All right, now it's time to customize my AI employee. I'll name it Noah. Set my brand name to GV Marketing, select female as the gender, and after listening to several voices, I'll go with Clear Voice. Now, Noah will automatically prepare for deployment, gathering data about my business and crafting its answers. I'll see you once it's ready. All that's left to do is test Nova out, so I'll give it a call and ask it some questions about my business.
Hi, I'm Nova from GV Marketing. How can I help you today?
Hi, yes. What type of services do you guys offer?
We specialize in creating YouTube videos for SaaS companies that get ranked on Google, YouTube, and AI search engines. Our services include single videos and 4-video bundles, both with custom production and performance tracking.
And how much do they cost?
A single video is $6,000, and a 4-video bundle is $20,000. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
And what's the best way to get hold of George if I want to know more?
You can reach him by email at george@vlasiev.com. Would you like me to send that to you?
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for your time. Goodbye.
Now, that's the future of customer service right there. Instantaneous, accurate, reliable, and handled completely autonomously. Still, let's be honest, the answering service industry won't disappear overnight. There are still situations, such as complex calls in highly regulated industries, where human operators are essential. However, XBert addresses this with its advanced routing and handoff capabilities. But that isn't the case for every call, which is why having XBert triage your business's incoming calls, resolve most customer issues, like the call I just made, and escalate only the true challenging ones to a human operator is the best of both worlds. The businesses that adopt this early will be the ones that have the workflow figured out before it becomes the standard. And remember, XBert has a 14-day free trial. The link is in the description. If you're still routing overflow calls to a per-minute answering service, it's worth trying XBert out. Totally risk-free. And if you've made a switch like this from a traditional answering service to an AI tool, or if you're still on the fence about it, let me know your reasoning in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.